Is this the best Android device in the world? This is the Google Pixel 10 XL, and you'll be surprised to know this is my first ever Pixel in the world. Like, I've never used a Pixel device before, so let's just unbox it and let me just give you my first impressions. Let's get to it. So that is it. The box looks pretty cool with a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL written right here nicely. At the back, I think I got it says Moonstone. It kind of looks like gray, bluish, and I actually don't understand how this peel works because I don't see any dividers in this, and this is supposed to be from all the way here to there. So it says you should just peel, so we're just going to peel it. Oh, okay, that's how it looks like. Oh, okay. So that's what it reviews. Bear with me, I have never unboxed one of these before. Okay, just slide it out. So get a look of what this is supposed to look like, kind of. Ooh, this looks cool already. Let's see what other accessories we get in here. We only get the cable, the charging cable in here. Like, seriously, that's all? What else is in the box? Oh, yeah, there's a manual here. I'm sure nobody reads manuals anymore. Oh, and the SIM card ejector to here. I'm gonna put that back. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay. All right. First impressions. This looks good. Why does it have a hollow back though? It kind of looks really good. Let me show you guys. I like the blue. I don't know, I was trying to match with what I was wearing, so I had to go wear this again. We have the triple camera setup at the back. You can see 1, 2, 3 with a flashlight and probably some sensors over there. Volume rockers on the side. The Type-C charging at the bottom. SIM card at the top. That is that for now. And the charging cable. The store I purchased this for were actually kind enough to even add a case and a protector. Let's see what a case kind of looks like. Oh, all right. It's a transparent case. Just put this in there. It kind of fits perfectly. That is cool. And that is it. If you're wondering where I got this from, CompuView, I'm going to tag them in this video. They have all colors. It's actually not that heavy. It has a weight to it. It feels good. It actually looks really good. I can't wait to test the hell out of this thing. So if you're wondering where I purchased this from, CompuView, they are inside East Legon. Like I said, they have this in all colors. You could probably go pick one of these up for yourself. We will be comparing it to the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and also next week compare it to the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max when it comes out. You don't want to miss that. And as usual, stay liquid, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.